Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this wet Wednesday morning, August 29th. And we'll be out in Marlette today for the Customer Appreciation Day. And we'll take a look at what we might expect here for the fall harvest forecast and a sneak preview to what this upcoming winter might bring. And if we look at the headlines today, showers and thunder showers, especially this morning, we'll see those decrease from northwest to southeast over the area over the next 6 to 10 hours. And portions of the northwestern areas could actually see some sunshine here this afternoon. And we expect that cold front to bring a relief from the heat and humidity, but we'll slowly see temperatures warm up here as we get into next week. And over the Labor Day weekend, we could see showers and thunder showers on a scattered basis for overnight Friday, but for Saturday, Sunday, and lasting into Memorial Day. But again, it shouldn't be a washout, but certainly be aware that we could see some showers and thunder showers. Yesterday we had a high of 86, a low of 69 here in Breckenridge, and we had a rainfall of 1.1 inches for the day. We've had 6.53 inches so far for this month, and that storm total now up to 3.29, and again about a tenth of an inch since midnight. And if we look at temperatures out there this morning, very warm out there and sticky, mid 60s to low 70s, the warmth about 73 at Blissfield. If we look at the rainfall totals, black since the midnight, you can see half inch at Lakeview. They continue to get pounded. Look at that storm total, 4.34 inches of rain for the storm, over 3 inches in Breckenridge, almost 3 inches at Middleton, 3.4 inches at Clarksville, and almost 4 inches at Newaygo. So a lot of rainfall here. But you go to southeast lower Michigan, nothing showing up in the rain gauges at Breckenridge or at Blissfield or Jasper. And wasn't much rainfall until the last 24 hours. In Lansing, they picked up those since midnight, 5600s, now over an inch of rain here over the last 2 days. So certainly some welcome rain in that area. On the satellite view, you can see the showers and clusters of thunderstorms that developed here over the last 24 hours, continuing to develop this morning. And you can see some of that activity coming in, but it's also weakening. You can see on the last few frames of this animated satellite view, you can see how it begins to weaken towards the end. But we do expect some of those showers to make it into the state this morning, especially across the southeast portions of the state. And if we look at satellite view, you can see that area of showers now moving back into the area from the southwest. But again, the heaviest precipitation will move off to the east and to the southeast. And some of this activity, though the individual cells moving to the northeast, should give some of the area some decent rainfall. On the weather map this morning, you can see the last in a series of low pressure systems will move up through the air, along that cold front up through northern lower Michigan, and then that'll allow this system to push off to the east. By tomorrow, it'll be well off to our southeast. High pressure and fair weather will take over tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, comfortable temperatures in the 70s. And as we get into Friday, much the same, but we're going to be keeping an eye on the slow-moving system with the warmer air begin to push back towards the area, and that'll give us some scattered showers and thunderstorms, possibly as early as late Friday night, but a better chance of scattered storms as we get into the weekend. As far as how much precipitation here, not going to show the traditional maps because they include precipitation that fell overnight. But if we look at the high resolution rapid refresh model here over the next 18 hours, you can see very little precipitation across southeast lower Michigan, most of it in southwest lower Michigan, and that'll be dropping to the southeast. So again, looks like the worst is behind us now. But certainly if you need the rain down southeast lower Michigan, if you've been quite dry, you probably have a shot this morning, and that'd be it until we get into the weekend. But again, we're in overall a pretty warm and a fairly wet pattern. And temperatures today, you can see in the upper 70s. They'll be dropping down into the low 70s tomorrow, and then we gradually warm back up around 80 or in the low 80s, which is above normal over the weekend with those scattered showers and thunderstorms here and there. But again, many hours it'll be dry over the weekend, so don't cancel any plans. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.